here, and that is just a simple oak all the way across the hatch, and then this is a ratchet strap over top of the AC unit to the oak, and then that's just pulling up on this, and that's holding that in there. And then this is insulation board, just pink insulation board, I think, but it's reflective on the outside of the silver. And that's, the hatch is actually pushing that down. I've got a little bit of insulation foam shoved in all the way around. Alright, now here's really simple. I think I just did like 4 cuts on that pink board. I started with the one that goes over top of the actual AC unit, like the front one, so that I could cut that strap out to one more strap. Got that tied there, and then the ratchet strap hooked there, and then that's on the inside of the AC unit, just kind of holding the front to counterbalance it. And so the 2 straps are pulling against each other and holding that right there in place. And then I just cut the sides and cut the top, and then you can see that the top lid is kind of pinned in there from the hatch. And I've just got that lashed back there, and then the rain just runs off and runs into the range, trenches that were already there, and runs out. Same with the AC drippage. So pretty simple, pretty easy. I think the pink board was like 11 bucks. Ratchet straps were like 11. So I think I got out of Home Depot for 25 bucks or something like that. And then my AC unit was a couple hundred. So boom, done. And look at all the condensation we get in the morning, being in there all night.
And then don't drop it.